Hello guys, so this is a thank you note to all the students who have been sending me messages from yesterday midnight. I had personally messaged, replied back everyone, but I could not give any big message, or I couldn't type to everyone because the number of messages were very huge. So I thought I'll compile all of them and make a single video. So I'll show you all the screenshots of all the messages which I got in WhatsApp. I hope I have not missed anything until this was made a few hours back. So maybe after that, whichever came will be missed. But the earlier messages, I have taken everything, and we'll show you a lot of motivational quotes. Also, teachers related some stories, and one we'll end with a inspirational story. Okay, so the teachers day celebration, how did it begin? Okay, so because I always teach you something in every video which I make, I don't want this to be just a thank you note message. So here this Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, born in 1888 and 1975 he left. So he was the first vice president and the second president of India, a person from Tamil Nadu, winner of Bharat Ratna and Templeton Prize, and he taught in Oxford University. Okay, he was knighted by King George V. You know, knighting is a thing which you study in your spectrum also, like giving the title of Sir, which was given to many people, and many of them renounced it. So, like that, he also stopped using the title Sir after India's independence. So that can be also some a new learning for you. Then he led the Indian delegation to UNESCO. Okay, elected chairman of its board. Okay, ambassador to Soviet Union. And 1962, what happened is when he became the president or vice president that time, the when he took office, okay, second president in 1962, his students approached him seeking permission to celebrate his birthday as a special day. Okay, like they were not telling about Teachers Day, they were telling with respect to him. But he made it like, if you want to show that respect and love to me, make it like a day for teachers. Okay, to recognize the contribution of all the teachers. So that is how the Teachers Day started from 1962, and it's being celebrated. So this is the story. Maybe if you did not know about this thing, and we'll see some quotes about, because most of the good quotes which you can use in your exam, your ethics paper and all, will be from Abdul Kalam only. Even UPSC asks quotes told by him and ask you to elaborate. So teachers are the backbone of any country, the pillar upon which all aspirations are converted into reality. Your best teacher is your last mistake. So all these things may relate to you. That is why his quotes are so popular. And on this occasion, like you may be seeing Vaishya's teachers as a teacher, we also would like to thank all our teachers, because of which we are able to teach you all these things. How much ever you do tell, like nobody taught me, I did everything, like self-study, like how I have been doing. I have been learning everything over the internet. But there will be some people who influenced us. There will be some people because of which we are able to read things which are there on the internet. So obviously teachers play a very important role. Some 4 5 important teacher personalities I'll tell you in our country. One is, Jyotirao Phule, and his wife Savitribai was there, who is called as the mother of modern girls' education. So she was teaching all the girls and all, because in India that time girls' education was not too much. So they started their own schools, and in Pune especially, and became the first female teacher who inspired girls. And rights of women were not existing that time, so she and her husband did all these things. So her timeline is also important for you. 1848, okay, women's school had only 8 girls belonging to different caste. At the time, education for girls was considered a sin, and on her way to school she was routinely harassed by orthodox men, threw stones and all these things you will see in movies and all. And in the same year she founded the other schools of women. For her, education was not simply alphabetic learning, but rather an evolution of the mind itself. Her innovative methods of teaching slowly attracted the common people, as the number of girls increased from 25 to 70 during this 1850s. And she was running 3 schools with around 150 female students. To prevent child from dropping from school, Savitribai offered them stipends also. This is a very inspirational person who brought about a change in education in India. Okay. And this you would have already seen in social media. Even the former RBI governor, Raghuram Rajan, was a student of this person, Alok Sagar, who was an ex-IIT Delhi professor. And he left his job to serve the tribal people of Madhya Pradesh, and then he himself planted 50,000 trees and all, and he was there in the news and social media and all. So this is one teacher to be respected by everyone. This is Imran Khan, a Sanskrit teacher from a small town in Alwar in Rajasthan, who donated 52 educational apps to HRD ministry for free, contributing his part in digital India and e-learning. So his apps gets an astonishing 30 lakh downloads and 4 crore screen views every single day. Okay, like many institutes and many apps which run for education, who are all running it for business. But these are people who gave things for free to this country, and students are learning from them. So now to see the messages which I got, this is the latest one, and we were very touched by this message which we got it now. Like today's session 9 o'clock. After that, this was one of the comment. We have put it on top if you want to go and read it. So he or she says that this is my first ever comment for a channel on a YouTube. Unless I feel it is worth, I don't give compliment to people. That's my nature. These days, we have got many online sources which helps for UPSC preparation, but to what extent they are reliable and effective is the question. Everyone runs after the channels which gives publicity, but are they helping you, really helping you? One day I came across this channel's video. I just thought, let me see the quality of the content of the channel's video. I really like their quality in the content they're providing. I have enrolled to their test series. I am really fully satisfied with the quality of the test series. It is really worth investment for my UPSC preparation. I have been in touch with them through WhatsApp, daily receiving motivational quotes, keeping my spirits high. Whenever there is an update in UPSC website, they will post me the information. A channel is doing a really wonderful job by providing quality videos and test series. It's like a lighthouse and compass for me in this UPSC preparation journey. So I would like to wish happy Teachers Day. May your channel grow and reach all the serious aspirants. So we really appreciate the effort you have taken to write this out. We get messages like this, but mostly students don't post it on YouTube and all. So it's on a public platform. So we are really touched by this, and we have been doing things only for your success in the most genuine way, because as we tell, there are people who put out videos which can be only advertising oriented, or only like what they show will be different and what they give will be different. So we had tried to become transparent in the last 4 years, and it is going good, even though subscribers count is very less of what it deserves, the channel deserves, but maybe the day will come. Okay, so thank you very much for this lengthy write-up. And another student actually wrote me a letter today. I got it today early morning. Then I thanked her in the WhatsApp. So she's not my test series student. She is just one who inquired about videos and links and all, and we gave the beginners video link, and she's beginning to start her UPSC preparation. And I had advised her to start writing something every day. Okay, in my videos also I've told everyone to write something. So she thought she will start from today, and she will write a letter for us. So she wrote, "Dear sir, on this occasion, here's extending my warm greetings to you. Teaching is the profession that teaches all the other professions. A good education can change anyone. Similarly, a good teacher can change everything. Great inventors and leaders are not born, they are motivated and inspired to do great things. In the same way, we, your students, are motivated to do great things by great teachers like you. Thanks, sir. You are not just my teacher, you are my guide, my mentor. I'll always be thankful to you for your patience, kind words, and sharing videos for us. I'll give my best and I'll try my best to reach greater heights." I just wanted to say thank you, sir. Happy Teachers Day from Maisie. Okay, we are not sure of much details about her, because we don't ask you too much data or anything. Okay, because we just teach everything for free whenever whatever in the channel. So whenever somebody comes, they just have to tell I am a serious aspirant. We don't even ask their name. So this is the first time I think I am knowing this person's name. But this also was a very touching message which I got today. So messages have been coming like this, and I'll show you screenshots of all the messages which I got. You can recognize your messages obviously by the timings. These are all the earliest one, yesterday 12:06. If you see, just after 12 o'clock, these messages came in. 12:07, and this is 11:42. Even before 12 o'clock, some student. I really don't know names of most of them, because we save it as just numbers. Because as and when the aspirants come and contact us, we don't ask their names or details. Based on the year, we give them the content. So this again, thank you for mentoring and only source of authentic information and not beating around the bush attitude. So this is one thing which we actually tell in every video. We don't like going round and round. You ask us a question, we give you the answer. So sometimes it looks rude, but we give you to the point. Okay, whatever you ask. So all these messages came. So you can just see if your message was missed. I think I've covered everything. So by the timeline, you can recognize your message. So we thank everyone. It's not like somebody wrote a big letter, so that becomes more important for us. Even a small thank you message, or even a thumbs up which you put under every video of us, everything is important for us. And maybe I'm not able to read about all these messages, else the video will go lengthy. So thank you for all these wishes, and keep supporting us. We will see to it that the entire content on this YouTube channel will remain free. And the spelling of the name, VYSH, Vaish, okay, because we get a lot of name combinations like Vyas or Vish or Vash, many things comes. It's okay, but see to it that at least you know from where you are learning. Okay, see to it that you pronounce the name of the place which you are looking up to. So again, these are all like images. I think these were again the initial messages, like 12:33. This message which we got yesterday night. So again, you can comment in the video section if I missed anyone's comment. Okay, these are all in the last 18 to 20 hours which I got, and even now messages are coming. So sorry that I could not include them in this video. So all these from I think from almost every state I have a student. That is one big achievement which we got this year. We have from the northeast side, we have from Kashmir, we have from South India, we have from Gujarat side, we have from Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Madhya Pradesh now we have a lot of students. So maybe they are all preferring online studies. So I have a lot of students from there who are learning from YouTube. But because only those who come to WhatsApp, I'll have an idea like where are they from, or if they buy my test series, I'll get some details from them. That's the only way I come to know actually. But I'm sure that almost every state is covered. So we will do a story, a 2-minute story, which might be of some use to you. So it's a very like old, you would have read this Panchatantra tales and all things in your childhood. So this taken from that only, from YouTube only. I've taken from another story related channel. So this is a guru and shishya. One day they were walking through the forest and then they had to rest at some place. So they saw a small house. They saw that they have a attached field. A big field is there, but there is no much cropping done, and the house is also in a like okay kind of condition in the middle of this forest. And then he sees that family comes out. They have a big family, and then he asks like, "How do you survive? Like you have this much children. I don't see any crops here, nothing." Though he will tell like I have this, I have a cow here, so that cow will be like giving milk, and like I have a very decent life. I am enjoying my life through the milking this thing. I am having my food also, and I am having enough money by selling the milk. So this is how he told about his life and story. And then Guru will also have the milk and some fruits were there, one fruit tree or something. He will have that fruits, and then he will tell, okay, we'll spend the one night here, and he'll thank him for that. And at night, what happens is around like middle of the night, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and all. The guru wakes up and tells like his disciple is also there with him. He will tell, we have to leave now immediately. But while leaving, take the cow also from this his house. We will go and leave it in the forest. Okay. So this disciple was shocked. Like, what is this guru telling? Like, why should we do that? He was not, because he was a very obedient disciple. He then thought like, okay, maybe I should not argue with him, and he took the cow and he left it in the forest. So like this it goes away. Then many years goes by, 10 years. Now the disciple becomes the guru, and after 10-15 years he feels like this guilt is there. In entire 10-15 years, this guilt is there in his mind, like I did something wrong to that family. So he decides that I will go back to that place and tell sorry for what he has done, or pay him economically. But when he goes back, he sees there that area is fully developed, and there is a big garden, there is fruit trees and all these things. So he thinks like maybe those persons, like they sold their properties and went, because without the cow they could not survive. Okay, so that was what he thought, and he knocks the door. So he sees and a person comes out. It's the same person, and he tells like, I don't think you remember me, I came here many years back. But then he tells, I really remember, I know, like that was like the turning point of my life. That day when you people left, suddenly my cow also disappeared somehow. I don't know where it went, and I was fully depressed. I did not know what to do with my life and all these things. But then I thought, my field is there, I will just increase the number of trees which I have. One fruit tree I had, I just increased the number of fruit trees. I sold some wood. I cut some wood from the tree which was there. I sold it. I did some small farming, and then slowly I had enough money to buy more and more plantations, and then my farm expanded. So finally now I am so rich because of that night. Okay, so that cow had gone, and that is why all these things happened. So the moral of the story is that there can be things which is making you not do certain things. Okay, you might be having the potential to do even bigger things, but you are used to a life where everything is given to you. Okay, and you think this is the maximum of what life can give you, and you will not do anything beyond that. So discovering your potential, okay, and going for that. Okay, like if people say that I don't like being here. So if you don't like being here, I want to be somewhere else, you can move. You are not a tree or a plant that you are stuck to some place. You can move. Humans have that capability to expand and improve. And people ask about this, don't do hard work, do smart work. But what we tell at YCIS is you have to do both hard work and smart work. Okay, only when you do the hard work, you will actually know where to put in the smart work. Okay, directly if you go for shortcut tricks or some things which will be like giving you instant success, that will not work. You have to work hard, build up your base and foundation, and then go for the smart work at the end. Okay, that is when your success peak will be at its height. So stop stopping yourself, set some goals and then demolish them. You can reach to any level which you want. Okay, anything which you dream of, that is possible, no matter where you are living, how you are living, what is your condition now, what is your monetary status now, who is there to support you. You don't need any support. This channel is the biggest example for that. When I started this 3-4 years back, everybody told that there are thousands of channels running out there, there are big brands in Delhi, nobody is going to watch your channel, nobody is going to watch with, because you don't have any big softwares, you don't have any person to tell you what is UPSC, you don't know anything. So I studied everything through the internet. Everything what I know about UPSC is through internet only. I have invested 1.5 year living in isolation studying about UPSC, and then I decided that I will start my own channel because I was not happy with the way the other brands and the education industry is running. Okay, they were teaching a lot of things and everything was money oriented, and they are not teaching it sincerely. They are doing it for the sake of doing, and it doesn't relate to the actual UPSC. So then I thought I should put the effort, I should bring up something where people will like each and every video which we put. There should not be even one video which they felt like, why have this person uploaded this? So that is why it will not be easy, but at the end it will be all worthy. Okay, absolutely worthy it will be. So if you want something, go all in for what you want and you will definitely win. Okay, so that is the biggest message which you want to give you. All the hustle, all the late nights, all the missed parties, early mornings, everything will be finally worth it. So with one final quote, teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber and future of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for me. So that is what we also consider here. If the things which we do for you is helping you, okay, we look for your support. If it's not helping you, we tell you on the day one itself, please don't subscribe to this channel. If you are not a genuine UPSC aspirant, if you are not serious, if this is not your ultimate goal, don't subscribe. We ourselves tell that we close our enrollments. If want, we can get n number of enrollment, but we close it because we got the definite number of people. And if we feel they are not serious, we refund them the entire money. We have refunded at least 6 students this batch itself, 2021. I was planning to make a video on that also. Maybe tomorrow I'll make. There were some students who were taking this as like they have paid money, and so we should be like available for them 24 hours. We should give them the test even before schedule. There were people who are shouting like that, I need the revision chart now, I need the spectrum test now. You are enrolled to a disciplined scheduled test series. Obviously you will get along with others only, you are not special. So people were there who argued like that. We gave the full refund to them. We don't want to work with them, we don't want to work for them. So we see this channel a place where only the most serious aspirants will study the best way through online medium, laptop, mobile or desktop, and we'll give you quality content every single day. You can subscribe to this channel, you can hit the join button by paying just a very small fee of 29 rupee per month, because that is the least I can do. YouTube cannot make it zero. Join button, the minimum cost is 29 rupees, and that will give you a label also which against your name, meaning your comments will be always highlighted. I can reply to your comments faster. So it's not mandatory. I don't tell everybody to do it also, but just click on subscribe, because this channel subscribers is what tells others whether this channel is worth it or not. So please be more open, please be interactive, give your feedback. When you like something, just leave a thumbs up, just leave a like. Okay, that will make this channel reach out to more people. Okay, we have not done much marketing, we have not done much investment into that side. Okay, because we don't collect fees from you for all these things, so we cannot do much of that. So if this subscriber count has to increase and reach the millions of subscribers, which usually is there, UPSC market is very huge, only with your support we can do that. So we look forward for that. Any enrollments, you can contact us. For 3 free tests, you can email us this code. For brochures, you can email this. Everything is available. I'll wind up this video. This you can pause and see, because this video is not intended for this. This is about the test series packs. So hope we will be able to support you in future also. Once again, thank you for all the wishes you have given me on this particular day. We will see to it that the video continues for free like this. So thank you, enjoy learning and have a nice day.